Okay, today we're going to use the Rockwell Sonic Crafter to remove some old mastic. Spray it down so you don't have to wear a mask or respirator and make a big mess. It comes off like clay almost, like a thick. See that? That way it doesn't get into the air and into your lungs. Silicosis, try to avoid that. So I'm going to show you how this works. This is just a diamond blade or a diamond attachment for the Rockwell. And it's a F65, really great. I had an old Harbor Freight one that was not even close to this one. So I'll give you a little bit of a viewing how this works. Yeah, it's just that easy. This will take, this is about 1, 2, 3, a little bit over a yard here, probably 9 tiles, 12 tiles, something like that. This will take about 15-20 minutes to get all the mastic off. So yeah, it works really good. After you're done, you can sweep it right up and then put more mastic down. Somebody improperly installed these tiles. There wasn't enough mastic. Yeah, so this is what we're up to. Hap around the house. If you liked the video. Oh, and once you use this, you'll understand what I'm saying. But as you tip this, it'll dig in, and as you get it perfectly level, it'll like float. And you can get it right down to the old surface too. It doesn't look like they sunk these screw heads. I'll have to sink them down a little bit, but yeah. Yeah, you can really control this depth, and you can dig in too if you're not careful, but it doesn't matter. You're going to be putting the new mastic down anyway. So, wrap around house. Like the video, consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.